This is something about you have to see, guys. This is what one of my students just sent it to me. He made something crazy. You will gonna love it each second of this because this is his success. It's not my success, but I'm sharing now my student's success. Okay, let me start the story from the very beginning. He was considerably let's say dropshipper, but he was dropshipping from AliExpress and stuff like this, and never succeeded, actually messed it up, and all those things, like, so on September this year he said, Andrew, what is about that your dropshipping you are telling there, it's you can make money and you are teaching this and all this 799 course, and is that really working? I said, well, you can test it out yourself. Okay, so long story short, this is what he did. Okay, I'm just so excited. I want to share. Now, recently, and this is about this product, okay, you are gonna see the data here. It will gonna be like mind blowing for you because it's mind blowing for me as well. Now, he found the product. Well, okay, good product as usually we do this, right? The right product, market approved, nice price for 7.99, selling like a crazy. Okay, good product. Now, he followed the training, did exactly what I told him to do. Uh, but what we do basically is if you found the product on Amazon, the next step is just obviously the natural step. You go out and you check on eBay if anybody is selling. Of course, there is a lot of people are selling the same product, right? So no problem. So, but my buddy here is a little bit smarter because one of the things, just one of the 7 major things what I teach is separate yourself from the crowd with the pictures. So obviously he took the lesson and he did the picture, okay? And he made a different picture. You would wonder why it's 7 pieces here, because on Amazon it sells in a pack. It comes in a pack of 7. You see, it comes in a pack of 7. So this is just one trick, okay? So he separated himself. It's just one thing with the unique picture. There are no such pictures on Amazon, okay? He made this picture right there, okay? So cool. Everybody else is selling like this. He's selling like this. So picture is outstanding. It's just one of the 7 major things. Okay, I will not gonna go through all those 7 things. It's you can find out them later on, but I want to share the success here. Okay, how it goes. So before I jump into the results, I want to come back a little bit and share the story. Here it was our first conversation. I don't remember. I don't have this somewhere in my emails, but this is on Facebook. He said, Andrew, I started this 799. It was about 6 weeks ago, I think, 6, 7 weeks ago. Okay, in September somewhere. He started 799. He's from Bulgaria. That's why his English is almost like mine. So don't pay attention to that one. Okay, he's a nice guy. And he made a great success here for somebody who is from Bulgaria, from international to selling on ebay.com. This is amazing. So he sent me his first results here at that time, 6, 7 weeks ago. Okay, he said every day I sell 6, 7 products. Wow, that's crazy. That's amazing, right? You got 9 active listings here, and out of the 9 active listings, you are already start to scaling. That's crazy good. Okay, that's what they are doing with the 799 students, right? So the system. Okay, now that's just beginning. Okay, now let us go back a little bit to see about this product. Everybody else is selling like this. My buddy, what he is doing by following 799, booms. He's separating himself totally different category. Well, let me correct myself. It's not totally different category because it's related, right? Because those lights here are for the same purpose. You see, it's party light holder actually, okay? And this it's just how you position your product on eBay, what makes difference in a sales. Now, that's just another thing, okay? But look at the price here. That's absolutely mind-blowing, 13.95. You put here 1 piece or you put here 7 pieces, okay? Well, that's one thing, okay? Pictures. But the price, 13.95, 36 sold. Okay, let's go back to those guys. Those guys are trying to sell here. You see, this one is sold. This one is sold, right? One left only because he's the lowest price. So this is what it means when you compete for the prices, guys. This is what it means if you follow those copy paste teachings out there. That's why I'm talking to you right now. If you want to compete and work for the pennies, by all means you can go and copy paste. But if you want to do creative dropshipping, you have to create your results, you have to create your pictures, you have to create your titles, you have to create your money. That's what he did. That's why his sales are totally different, because first of all, he positioned himself on a totally different spot, right? And you can see in the results here what happened. And by the way, and that's not the now it comes the best part of this. When I saw this, first I saw those results, I said, oh yeah, that's crazy, good result, that's amazing, good. But then he said you haven't seen the best yet. I said, what's that? He said, the best is only to come. And here is the best. Those sales, most of them are happening in one day. 13.95 in one freaking day. Can you imagine that? Okay, well, yeah, okay. There is a little trick I taught him to do, and it's the same what everybody else can do right now, because it's so crazy, amazing how you can implement if you just do a little bit different, guys. You see, it's just obviously you can see if you think a little bit, just think how you can separate yourself, even if you don't want to join our proven to work program 799. You can do it by yourself, it's no problem at all. Okay, so those results are just mind blowing. In one freaking day he got a lot of most of those sales. Okay, so here is what he did. See, Amazon 497, he sold 13.95. Here's the results. So let's say I just put some math here to find out what it is. 15% it's PayPal fees and Amazon, eBay's fees, right? So you got the numbers here, then you take off the price, and actually he without cashback. This is what the pure profit are here, 688 about pure profit, not counting the cashback here. 36 sold, it's about 247 per day. 247 per day. That's what he got from one freaking cheap product, which cost $5 on Amazon. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine how you can make money right now in this time of the year? You don't need hundreds of products. If you were gonna start doing this with the hundreds of products, you would gonna need a freaking VA team, like a virtual assistant team, or group of people who are gonna be shipping your products over there. Guys, that's the open doors for your financial situation to change right now, not sometime next year, not after you build up something. I told you he started in September. In September he started with the very simple like things what I teach in 799. He got those 6-7 products sold in a day, and then you jump to another just level of selling, and you create those things. It's just so obvious here, right? What everybody else is doing and what he is doing. Which one we would choose to do? Do you want to compete? It's the same. If you want to compete, if you want to sell those lamps, you just put yourself on a different spot on eBay. That's all what it is. eBay dropshipping, when you source from Amazon. All right, so I'm so excited about this. I hope you get excited too. All right, I would really love to hear some of your feedbacks, guys. Okay, take care. I hope this makes some kind of like a little sparkle for you. Take care. Bye bye.